Okay, hello RuneScape fans, it is I, RuneScape and today we're going to take a look at the party hard code I created. Had a little goof with it, so I had to quickly fix one tiny little thing that screwed the whole entire code up. Literally one little letter. I'll show you that right now. Originally, I had this set for my E drive, but this should actually be set for the F drive. When I had to create this code, on the actual computers at my college, it was the E drive, so I had to change it to the E. I forgot to change it back to the F for my flash drive. So, got that problem fixed. So, actually, better go save that. There we go. Or save all. Okay, so this uses an array, and this was extra credit from Chapter 8 of the Intro to Visual Basics book. So then as you see here, we have our boxes for the abbreviations and the state's full name. We have our selection here, clear, the link. Now this is a link label. I use that for the exit button just because why not? Something different. We got our lookup button, we got the party hard checkbox. Now as you can see here, this uses a time event. And it's crucial that you make the timer 1 stop underneath the form 1 load. So, and then you gotta have 2 timers. Now the timers can be found right under components, right there. And it's crucial for timer 1 to be set to false. That's important. You have to do that, or it will not work. Okay, now then, this is the code right here for the party hard code. Modify it how you would like, or use it for anything here. So when the checkbox is checked, this will activate here. It will switch back and forth. Now, if it is unchecked, so if party hard check is true, else if cb party dot check equals false, then all the text will go back to the normal color, which is good. So let's play around with it. Okay. So right now it's going to give us the state. So we're going to type in Missouri. There we go. Now we're going to go to US state and we're going to type in New York. And of course, if you type in that, you'll get an error. Same with the US state. Okay, now it's time for the party hard code. As you can see there, as soon as I stopped, everything went back to normal color. Turn it on again. There we go. Now, if you're using a short bit, this is crucial. Me, I actually use the full song. But right here, you gotta create the sub itself called play background sound file. Okay, audio play background. Now, if I did not choose background, I could do background while loop, wait to complete. So we're gonna switch it back to the background. Same all. But if it was on a loop, that means you have a short file and want the sound to constantly be playing until you check it off, because once that song is done, it's done. You had to re-click the button, but I didn't really worry about that. So you want to do that, and then wait to click is, once you click it, you cannot click anything else until it is finished doing what it's doing. Yeah, I guess I'll show you the rest of this. So this is the strings for the array. We got state string, that's the name of the array, and then we got our index, or integers. So we got brief string and name string. The brief string AL goes with the brief string, or the name string Alabama, and so forth. And how you set that up is you go private state string 55, meaning it will give you 56 because it counts 0 as USS state. Now this, the USS state, that is this little guy right here, or no, wrong thing. USS state is the name of the string that you are doing it as. So as a structure's name US state, dim name string, and so forth. Now that all goes under the public forum. Everything else here for the actual array to launch, you put it under the private form load sender. And to get to that, just double click the box and there you go. That will bring up your form load. So when the form starts, that is how you do it. Okay. And then we got our boolean, or boolean, however you want to say it. Okay, and let's see, that is right here. Then found boolean as boolean, and index integer as integer. And this will tell you what you typed in, and it will match it, the state string index integer, abbreviation string to upper. Now this automatically capitalizes every letter, so that way, for abbreviations, you don't have to go lowercase mo, capital case mo for the same thing. It just automatically capitalizes everything. And for each one to do. Okay, then this is, it loops around till it finds it. If it doesn't find it, then you get this message. And that's really it. And then here's the link for the me close. So bring it up there. When it loads. And there. That's very simple. Now I'm going to go back and redo a lot of my videos on this, so you'll see them deleted and re-added because of the fact that I screwed up with using this right here, the Screencastify Live thing. Kind of really screwed me up a little, but just to be safe here a second, let me see if it actually shows up on this. Okay, yes it did, as you can see there. Okay, and that's everything for this video. Please subscribe, leave comments, and as always, have a nice day, live, love, game on. I'm going to try to redo all these videos the correct way, so that way you guys can see what some of these cool programs. I'm creating more programs, or will be, so that's all.